forest, field, or mountainside. Pack up the tent and ride. What you say we get away from these city lights? Pack up your tent and ride.
Hi, I'm Fraser Douglas, and I've been an avid tent camper now for almost 55 years. In this video, I want to show you our new adjustable height folding work platform and explain why it has been a wonderful addition to our camp kitchen furniture. Hope you enjoy this video. This is a Werner adjustable height pro platform that we bought from Lowe's Home Improvement Store for about $125. Let me begin by summarizing some of its primary features. It has a very strong aluminum top that measures 46.5 inches wide by 14 inches deep. In other words, it's about 4 feet by 1 foot. And it has a nice carry handle right in the middle. It's rated to support 300 pounds, but I weigh 305 pounds, and it easily supports my weight. Plus, I think it would support another 100 to 200 pounds. The height of the platform can be adjusted from a low of 20 inches up to a tabletop height of 30 inches. To show you how to set it up, I've put it upside down on another table. To open, all you have to do is squeeze these two yellow tabs, and when you squeeze these two yellow tabs, it pulls in that locking post. And once they're squeezed, just grab this and open, and continue to open until it locks into place. And then repeat the same thing for the other side. To extend the legs to their full height, press this button that's on the bottom side of the middle step. Just push it down and pull the legs up until they lock into place. You'll notice each one of these squares is a different position, a little bit lower position for this height. But we always extend the legs to their full height. As I've previously mentioned, we bought the Werner brand platform from Lowe's, but if you go to the internet, you'll find a dozen or more different work platforms of varying sizes, shapes, and prices. You may be able to find one priced a little bit lower than ours, but be sure that it adjusts to a height of 30 inches and will support at least 300 pounds. Now let me explain why we like this platform so much. The primary use of this platform is to serve as a tabletop for our camp stove. The top is deep enough to allow our stove to sit very securely on top, and in addition, it is wide enough to include the stove, the propane cylinder, plus another item or two that you want to store in your kitchen for future use. In other words, this work platform is large enough and strong enough to provide valuable kitchen counter space, but it is small enough to easily fit into our small kitchen shelter. The center handle allows you to easily pick it up and move it outside of the kitchen shelter to any place you want in the campsite and use it as a workbench. I use the platform to load all of our tables and folding chairs on the top of our car when we're packing up, and to unload these tables and chairs when we get to our destination. After we've packed all of our other camping gear, I fold the work platform up and pack it at the very back of the car. When we stop for lunch, I can very easily pull it out and use it as a picnic table, or when we get to the campsite, I can pull it out and use it as a table to hold our tools and other things that we'll need to set up our campsite. If we ever need a bench during our trip, we can just easily pull it out and set it up at the low 20-inch height. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video, and I hope it's given you some ideas about how you might be able to organize your camp kitchen a little more comfortably. For more information about this work platform, plus other family tent camping equipment, please visit my website, moderntentcamping.com. A link is provided in the description below.
Take more trips, travel further, visit more attractions, and spend less money. Go tent camping.
You know you gotta pack up your tent and ride. Pack up your tent and ride. Good grub cooking on a fire tonight. Pack up your tent and ride.